Welcome to JumpStart IT Academy YouTube channel. I'm your host for today, Chris Johnson. I'm the lead tech career coach. Let's get into today's video. We're going to be talking about what is the difference between tech skills and tech knowledge. Let's get into it. Tech skills versus tech knowledge. So what is the difference between tech skills and tech knowledge? I wanted to present this video to you because I had a coaching call with a client and I was explaining to the client that it is important to get tech skills, but there's also tech knowledge. Now, tech knowledge isn't necessarily knowledge you would use on a daily basis, but it's knowledge you need to be aware of. Sometimes we call this knowledge general knowledge. So let's look at tech skills. Tech skills is about doing, meaning people who have tech skills, they have to perform something, meaning there's a method of measuring whether or not they perform what they've done. Whereas when you look at tech knowledge, that's simply somebody that claims to know something. They may be able to engage in a conversation, but they may not be able to deliver what is required to prove that they have the knowledge. So keep that in mind. Next, tech skills versus tech knowledge. Concrete. What do I mean when I say concrete? Tech skills are proven, meaning if the network is down, if a system isn't functioning, if the program isn't working, the programmer has to fix it. The system engineer, he's going to have to solve the system issue. The networking resource will need to solve the networking problem. So a technical person or a technical professional, they have tech skills that can be proven and measured, and they're concrete. Tech knowledge is abstract. Abstract meaning that you may have someone who has tech knowledge, but they may not be able to prove that tech knowledge through tech skills. Therefore, you may have a project manager or a non-technical resource that has an understanding of networking or systems or programming, but if you ask them to solve one of the problems that's actually taking place in the technology environment of a company, they may not be able to solve that, but they could definitely engage you in a conversation and discuss budget, scope of work, or the timeline where they need certain deliverables of your tech skills to finish a scope of work. Tech skills, provable. You can prove tech skills, meaning in technology, companies hire tech workers or tech skilled workers, and they hire them to solve their technology problems. Now, technology is normally constructed of business processes automated through technology. And through this technology, they're going to have specialized skills, skilled professionals who can solve problems so that their business continues operating. And these skills need to be provable. That's why the tech skills are very valuable in the tech market. If you're new to technology, you will probably be asking yourself, why in the world do they charge, or do they pay us so much? They pay us so much because they are only paying us a fraction of the profit that they're getting from using the technology. Also, if they have problems in their environment, we are worth our salt. And we can prove that we're worth our salt, because if you have a problem that's causing you to lose $1 million every 2 hours, and you have a technology professional you're paying $150,000 to, most companies wouldn't have a problem hiring someone like that because it prevents them from losing a great sum of money. Now let's look at tech knowledge. Provable versus debatable. Now, when I say debatable, I mean if someone has tech knowledge, that's debatable. Who knows, who can prove that that technology is actually useful or functional? No one can really prove that. And so that's why tech knowledge can be looked upon as just being debatable, because they can claim that they know something, but they're not presented with problems that would cause them to prove that they know something. So therefore, They may be able to debate a concept. They may be able to debate whether or not a troubleshooting method or strategy will work or not. But will they be able to implement anything to prove that that what they're saying is correct? No. So people who have tech knowledge, they simply are people who can talk about it, but they may not be able to actually perform. Tech skills versus tech knowledge, specialized versus general. Now, there are technology specialists such as network engineers, which is something that was my trade, system engineers who focus on systems, programmers focus on various types of programming languages. And you also have cloud professionals or cybersecurity professionals. Now, these are specialized fields in technology. You may have someone who has a general understanding of that technology, but it may not be specialized. I know a lot of project managers or vice presidents or directors who have a general understanding of what tech professionals or tech skilled professionals are doing, but they themselves have not specialized in anything because their specialization is in a non-technical field. Tech skills, meaning let's take a look at tech skills and tech knowledge from the perspective of tech professionals versus non-tech professionals. And we're going to look into an example of how the tech industry functions. So what is the difference between tech skills and tech knowledge? We're looking at tech professionals versus non-tech professionals. Now, tech professionals have hard tech skills versus non-tech professionals have soft business skills. Hard tech skills solve tech problems, technology problems. Business skills are primarily used to solve business problems. Tech professionals versus non-tech professionals. Tech professionals are entrepreneurial, meaning that the tech professional is willing to look at a tech professional has a problem that he needs to solve today, that or he or she, and they will look at a solution that may solve their problem from the past, the present, or they may even consider new innovative technology of the future. They just want to make sure that they can solve their problem today. So they're very flexible in solving their problem. Most non-tech professionals are managerial. When I say managerial, I mean most managers are looking to the past, meaning that whatever worked before, they want to use that now because managers simply want to maintain what already exists because that's what they're paid to do. They're paid to manage what exists, and if you change what exists, they don't know how it's going to impact them or their job or the future of their contribution to the organization. Tech professionals versus non-tech professionals. Tech professionals are looking to fix problems. Most of the time, non-tech professionals, may want to fix the problem, but they're going to spend most of their time discussing with the tech professional and asking questions. So they spend a lot of their time understanding and then adding input, but most of the time they're relying upon the tech professional to fix it. And they're responsible for ensuring the tech professional finishes it and fixes it, and then they report to a leader who has authority over that scope of work or over a certain department. Tech professionals versus non-tech professionals. Tech professionals focus on change, or they're willing to adapt to change. Because they're entrepreneurial, they don't mind changing, because if they have a problem that requires them to change in order to implement the solution, they'll do it. Now, non-tech professionals are usually, as I stated earlier, managerial. And so they're going to want to maintain the existing environment. So they're going to want to ask you, why don't you use what worked the last time? And they may have a difficult time grasping why you're not using what worked previously, because they might not understand that technology may have changed and it was an intervening cause to an outage or to a system or a network going down for a period of time. You may have the solution, but they may argue with you in terms of wanting to maintain what already exists because they have a managerial mindset, and the manager is looking more in the past, whereas the entrepreneurial tech professionals, they are going to be looking at the past, the present, and the future because they just want to solve the problem in the present. This is the end. I want to thank you for watching this video. I want you to like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment. If you see something that engaged you or caused you to have more insight, leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know if this video helped you, and if you have any recommendations for any other videos, relating to this topic that you think would be beneficial for this platform. As I said again, thank you for thank you for watching this video. This is JumpStart IT Academy. My name is Chris Johnson. I'm the lead tech career coach at JumpStart IT Academy. You can go to jumpstartitacademy.com. We offer a free course on how to are the top 10 myths of the IT industry. Also, we offer 30-minute coaching sessions and an hour coaching sessions. Go ahead and go to jumpstartitacademy.com. We exist to provide coaching services to new professionals that are seeking to enter the industry, and also existing professionals who want to enter the industry. So just go ahead and go to jumpstartitacademy.com, and we are willing to assist you with our coaching services. JumpStart IT Academy, get skilled in IT over a college degree, and we will see you in the next video.